Let's try one more problem in which we use the piece-by-piece strategy, taking notes, as well as anticipating. Tom has taken 5 of the 8 equally weighted tests in his US history class this semester. Okay, so he's taken 5 tests so far of 8. So far he's taken 5 of 8 total. Let's read on. And he has an average. Okay, average. I'm going to stop right here. Whenever I see average, I'm just going to put the average formula. The average equals the sum over the number of terms. In this case, I'm going to anticipate it's probably the number of tests, obviously, of exactly 78 points. So average is 78. We know the number of tests he's taken so far. So this average is of the 5 tests, not the 8. So over 5 and then the sum. So we have 2 of the pieces of information for average. Let's just solve for the other one. I'm going to anticipate we're going to need the sum. So the sum, we multiply by 5 both sides. 78 times 5, we get 390. So 390 points, that's the sum of the 5 tests. Let's read on. How many points does he need to earn on the 6th test to bring his average score up to 80 points? So his average, we want his average to be 80. So let's go ahead and use the average formula. Average equals sum over the number of tests. So we want his average to be 80. So across 6 tests now, so we can put that. The sum will be, we know the sum for the 5 tests is 390. We just need to find what he needs on the 6th test. So I'm just going to call that x. X plus 390. So these are the 5 tests. This is the additional test, the 6th test. We divide it by the number of tests, 6. And we already know he wants the average to be 80. So all we do is solve for x. So we multiply by 6 on both sides to cancel out the denominator. 80 times 6, which I believe is 480. $480. We're left with x plus 390. Then if we subtract 390 from both sides, so subtract that from 480, we get 90. That's our answer. Again, what did we employ? We didn't read it all the way through. We did it piece by piece. We took notes, we marked up our exam, and we used the strategy of anticipation.